Hi guys, welcome to my channel Raipati Tableau. My name is Kalpana Raipati. In this video, let us talk about layered donut chart. What I mean by that. Here you are able to see this, right? So here we are showing categories and subcategories, and the third layer is for the product names. Product names that belongs to those subcategories and that belongs to those categories. Here we are showing three layers of donut chart, layered donut chart. Here we are showing. In general, when we are showing a donut chart, see, layered donut chart can be done only till two levels. One is by taking category and by taking subcategory. This is two layered donut chart. Okay, but here we are able to show clearly. We can show this as a donut chart, first thing. And second thing is, here we are able to show layers of the donut chart. Okay, so this video will be a bit lengthy, but just watch the video guys, it will be very useful. I thought it will be very useful. Okay, let us start. How we build this? Generally, I'll be very quick on this. Min of 1. Generally, when we are building a donut chart, we will take a ad hoc calculation and we form the same axis, dual axis. Here I'm converting this to pie chart and increase the size of both the ones. Just take it to the entire view. Just go to the, before doing this, I'm taking out these measure names from color, even from here also, and I'm decreasing the size of this one, not this second one. Then you will understand. Before that, let me change the color to orange. Now you are able to see this one, right? And synchronize the axis and just unselect the show header. Now here you are able to see this, both the ones, right? Just go to first marks card, just drop category into color. I have taken pie chart here. By default I have taken pie chart here. Okay, it is getting applied to the outer layer. Just bring this, or else just take this category here. First go to the second min of 1, just take category to the color. Now see, in the inner circle you are getting categories, and bring sales to the angle. Now based on the sales, it is getting, that pies are getting adjusted. Now just go to the second min of 1, just take subcategory to the color and just get sales to the angle. You need to get, if you want to get the same color as the category here, just hold subcategory and hold the control button. Just select category, subcategory, just drag it to the color shelf. Now see, now just go to all marks card. So this is how we used to build, or else let me press Ctrl Z. Okay, just go to first marks card. I'm increasing the size of inner circle. Just go to the second marks card, increase the size of outer circle. Now see, this is category. What is the proof that this is category? Just bring the labels of this category. Here you need to drop the labels of subcategory, category. So I am showing subcategory label. For the first one I am taking category label. Okay, now here if you see technology and the value. So this is how we build a layered donut chart. But if you want a true layered donut chart like this, then just follow the procedure what I am showing here. Here, from the latest versions of Tableau, I think from 2020.4, Tableau has introduced this what we call mark layers in maps. If you see, if I'm building any state map, what I meant by mark layers, let me bring country to the detail. Now I'm getting this. When I'm trying to drag any geographical field, here you get this option, add a marks layer. So with this option is available from I think 2020.4, I think, from latest versions of Tableau. Now here I'm using that same. I'm using the same and by using that mark layer we are going to build this layered donut chart. How to do that one? Just write a simple calculation here. What is that calculation I need to write? Here there is a function called make point in Tableau. With that, just take that. For the make point, you need to take here, you are able to see the syntax, right? You need to enter the points here. For that, I am entering 0, 0. I am giving the name as 0. Click on apply, click on OK. Now here, just double click on this geo, this calculated fit, just double click on this. Here you by default you will get a map, and as you have taken this make point as 0, 0, here you will get a point at the center of your map. Okay, now just go to map layers, just take out base and land cover. Now take this washout to 100%. Now you got a point here, just a point here. Okay, just close this. Now here what I'm doing is I'm taking this as a pie chart. Now instead of a map, I have converted this to a pie chart. Now here again I'm bringing this geo and I'm dropping this on the marks layer. Now here you will get another mark layer. What is that proof? Now it will be a bit confusing, but just follow me, you will understand this. Now here I am increasing the size of this. Just go to the first mark layer. This is the first one. See here you are able to get this, right? Here I am taking the color of this as white. I think because of the size issues. Even one, see here, you just bring that, the first one, right? For the first one means it will be the innermost part. That is why for that I am taking, see what is the proof here? See, this is the innermost circle. That is why I am taking white color to this. Just increase the size of this. Okay, now just go to second one and just increase the size of this also. Now just take in the second layer what you want, you need to show first categories. And still I am not getting this size perfectly. Just hold the Control Shift button and just press B. Control Shift button and just press B. If you want to decrease the size of this, just hold Control and just press B. To increase the size of this donut chart, you need to hold Control Shift and you need to press B. To decrease the size, you need to hold Control and you need to press B. Now here I am increasing the size even till some more point. Now what I am doing, again I am taking one more time. This geo I am taking one more time and I am dropping it. But where you are getting this point? Above to this. Why? Because here it is acting as the innermost circle. Now here you need to bring this on top of this category. That is why just drag this like this and just drop below to this. Now here just increase the size of this to the max. I have taken to the max. Now here what is that I am taking? I am taking subcategory to the, before that just convert this to a pie chart. Okay, now here take this subcategory to the color. Okay, now here you are able to see this, right? Category, subcategory. But I want that coloring of this subcategory in respective to category only. That means here for all those categories, subcategories which belongs to technology should get this green color. For that, just hold category, hold the control button, select subcategory. Now hold Control Shift button, drag it to the color. Now just bring category to the top. Below to that subcategory needs to come. Here, once you got this, now we will arrange. Now we will, what is this? Okay, fine. Nothing is. Now, why it is coming like this means here we haven't taken anything to the angle. That is why let me bring sales to the angle. Okay. Now just go to Geo 2 also. Here where you are having category details, right? Just bring sales to the angle. Now everything seems perfect, right? Now let us sort the view. What I mean by sorting the view, we know. In the descending order of sales. I'm sorting the view. I'm sorting for category. I'm taking field, descending. Descending by what? By sales sum. Okay. Now let me go to the second. That means the outer circle. I'm talking about this outer circle. Now here first this category is sorted. Now I'm sorting subcategory. Sort. Go to field. Descending by what? By sales sum. Okay, descending by sales sum. Why is this coming like this? Office supplies. Office supplies. Orange. Here it is green. Okay, let me go to this and let me change the color here. Here office supplies is taking. Now let us change according to this coloring. Now office supplies, here it is taking green. Furniture is taking what? Furniture is taking blue. Now technology is taking which color? Sorry, technology is taking blue color. Furniture is taking orange color. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Now it got set, right? Even the view is sorted also. Now to get the labels, see, when we were getting the labels for this, when we are taking a normal donut, layered donut, here when I am taking the label of these categories, where I have taken the label of these categories in the marks card of the category, but where they are coming, here they are coming outside to this circle. So when you are here in this case, as I want to bring the labels on this, here just go to the white space where that white space is available. Here what is meant by white space? This middle part, right? Or else let me rename this. I'm renaming this, guys. How to rename? Just click on the drop down. Here I'm renaming this as here innermost, or else just take it as white space. Or and the second one I'm naming it as category, and here I'm adding this as subcat. Okay, now here I'm going to the marks card of white space. Here just drop category and into label. Now see where you are getting perfectly, you are getting on the intentionally we are dropping it under white space marks card. Why? Because as we know, when you are taking the labels, it will come outside of the circle. That is why for the innermost I have taken the labels of category. That is why they are coming outside to the circle. They are coming perfect. But here with our intentions, we have dropped it in under white space. Now here for subcategory, where I am dropping this subcategory labels, I am dropping it under category labels. Okay, so this is how you can build layered donut chart. Even let me show you. This is, see, even you can build how many layers you want. You can build those many layers. Let me show you that one with one more layer. I'm adding one more layer. Just bring this to the last. Now I brought this. Now just let me decrease the size of this subcategory a bit. Not this. Okay, that is fine. Just let me decrease the size of category a bit. Okay, now let me decrease the size of this white space a bit. Now here let me go to the last one where what I have taken just now. Now here I am taking it as pie chart. Now what is that I am doing? I am bringing product name this time. Just hold the control button, select category, subcategory and product name. Now select, now hold shift button also, drag it to the color. Now here what is that you are getting? Category, subcategory and product. Let me increase the size of this. Now here, see what you are getting. Another level of layer to the donut. Okay. So what is that? What is the proof that it is a product name? It contains product names. See here. Under office supplies. For the subcategory labels. So this is the product every. You are able to see this, right? So you are getting the product names. So this is how you can add the layered donut chart. Okay guys, I know it is a bit lengthy, but worth watching guys. I thought it is worth watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.